Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a game-changing smart thermostat that will make your home more comfortable and energy efficient. If you're looking for a thermostat that works seamlessly with Alexa, SmartThings, Google Home and even IFTTT, then stick around. This one's for you. This thermostat isn't just smart, it's packed with features. It's perfect for central air conditioning and even supports heat pumps with auxiliary heat. With Wi-Fi compatibility on the 2.4 GHz range, you can control your home's temperature from anywhere, anytime. And guess what? You might even qualify for a utility rebate. So check that out. One of the standout features? A fully customizable touchscreen in full color. It's easy to read, sleek, and even shows your local weather, including indoor and outdoor humidity levels. No more guessing, just precise control at your fingertips. You can program it to fit your home or business schedule and even adjust based on peak utility pricing to save money. Plus, it auto-updates for daylight savings and supports multiple languages. And it gets better. It sends intelligent alerts like air filter change reminders, humidifier pad replacements, and even internet connection status updates. No more surprises. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get yours today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and drop any questions in the comments below. We've got more amazing tech reviews coming your way. See you in the next one.